Hello viewers, welcome to BioExplorer. Today we are exploring the amazing plant system. Basically, plants like an animal have specialized system that help them survive, grow and reproduce. Broadly, a plant body is organized into two main systems. One is shoot system, is another is root system. Root system is the underground part of the plant. So this is the underground part of the plant, and shoot system is the above ground part consisting of stem, leaves, uh, flower, and basically the shoot system consists of the leaves, stem. Shoot system consists of leaves, stem, flower, and fruit. And fruit. So the function of the system to carry out the produce sugar, that is photosynthesis, reproduction via the produce of flower and fruit, storage, transport and hormones. And the underground part is called the root system, which consists of the lateral root and primary root. The function of the root system is anchorage, absorption, storage, transport, and hormone. Among these two systems, the root system plays a vital role as the foundation of the plant. The roots not only provide physical support but also perform essential functions that sustain the entire plant body. So basically, these roots are the main part or one of the main part of the plant. Mainly the roots are there are two main types of root system in plants. One is taproot type and another is fibrous root type. Taproots are formed by continuous growth of the radicle, usually found in the dicotyledonous plants. In the another way, adventitious roots neither develop from the radicle nor the primary roots. They may develop from a leaf. For example, Bryophyllum calcinum, Kalanchoe lanciniata produce their root from the leaf. Giames bambusa tulda produce their root from stem, and Hibiscus rosa sinensis produce their roots from the lower end of a cutting. So these are the two main types of root. The taproot having a main primary branches, that is called primary root, which contain root cap, root hair, etc. From the primary root, secondary roots are produced, and from the secondary root, the tertiary root is produced. In the another way, there are no primary, secondary, or tertiary root is present in case of adventitious roots. Adventitious roots. The adventitious roots produce maybe leaf or stem or the lower end cutting of the stem. In this slide, we discuss about a typical taproot type system, which containing mainly four regions. In this figure, we see a single germinated seed, that is gram seed, a dicotyledonous seed containing four regions, that is root cap region, growing region, root hair region, and the permanent region. So mainly the radicle of the seed produce the root, that is taproot, and this is the apical region of a mature plant containing also four regions, that is root cap zone, which was cup shaped and protect the young apical region during growth. Number two is growing region or meristematic region, which also contain two regions, that is region of cell division and region of cell elongation. Number three is root hair region, fully covered by root hair, which serve as or which function as both anchorage and absorption of water and solutes. And number four is permanent region, functions, which function has anchorage and translocation of substance. From the permanent region, secondary and tertiary roots are produced. So this is all about the taproot type system. Next, I will discuss about the shoot system of a plant. So if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.